So dear students, today we are on the concept of number line, and I will teach you the concept of number line of integers very properly. Please make a note of every point which we are discussing. Okay, I will discuss, maybe I will not write it, but you have to write it down point wise. Okay, the heading will be points to remember. The heading is points to remember. Now the first thing, always remember on a number line, always you will have on right side the positive number. Right side is given to the positive numbers and left is given to the negative numbers. The first concept. Left will be negative, right will be always positive. And remember, 0 will always be there in the middle, and middle means it is neutral. 0 is an integer which is neither positive nor negative. All of you mention this. 0 is neither positive nor negative. The first concept. The second thing is all the negative numbers, or you can call it all the negative integers are on left side of 0. They are always left side of 0, beta. Okay? And the third concept, that all the positive integers are on right side of 0. I am flipping this one here. Just see this and note it down. So students, this 3 topics which you should be knowing every time, that always remember 0 will be always in the middle, not in the side of positive, not in the side of negative. So remember, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So 0 is only an integer. 0 सिर्फ एक ही ऐसा integer है जो कि ना पॉजिटिव होता है और ना ही नेगेटिव होता है. ठीक है, आपको जिसकी जरूरत पड़े आप उसके साथ साइन लगा सकते हो. Like if you need 0 with positive sign, you can make it. If you want to put negative sign with 0, you can put it. So as per your requirement, you can give the sign to 0. But अगर हम usually बात करें, so you don't have 0 as positive or negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. The second concept, remember that all the negative numbers are always on the left side. And always remember that if you talk about positive integers, they are always on the right side of number line. Okay? Now tell me one thing. I am just asking a general question from you. Answer in the chat box, please. If I have drawn this number line like this, okay, left or right करके, अगर मैं इस number line को ऐसा बनाऊं like this, ठीक है, straight like this, where your numbers will be on up and down. 0 will be in middle and numbers will be positive and negative will be up and down. So can you tell me negative will be down or up? Answer in the chat box, please. So remember, when we are drawing the number line, it is not always you draw number line like this. Number line can be drawn upside down also. So if you are making the number line in the condition of like vertically and horizontal के हिसाब से अगर आप देखो, so number line if you are drawing upside down, so upside you will have only positive numbers and downside you will have only negative integers. Okay, and in between, exactly on middle you will have 0. So again telling you 0 will be here, up will be positive, down will be negative. Down will be negative, up will be positive, and in middle will be 0. Okay, so this is all about integers when you are having upside down. So okay, students, if you talk about here on this number line, आपको पहले भी होल नंबर चैप्टर जब हम लोगों ने डिस्कस किया था, वी हैव डिस्कस्ड वन कॉन्सेप्ट कि हम जितना ज्यादा राइट में जाते हैं बेटा, हम जितना ज्यादा राइट साइड में जाते हैं, वी आर मूविंग ऑन द ग्रेटर नंबर साइड, वी आर मूविंग ऑन टू ग्रेटर नंबर साइड. जितना आप राइट में जाओगे यू विल गेट ग्रेटर एंड ग्रेटर एंड ग्रेटर. जितना आप लेफ्ट के डायरेक्शन में जाएंगे you will get the number smaller and smallest. Okay, so now you just see only the negative numbers, only see negative. I'm not talking about any positive. Just see the list of negative numbers and tell me ऐसा कौन सा integer है जो इसमें सबसे right hand side पे है. Answer in the chat box. If you see only the negative list, you will have -1 at very right position. सबसे लास्ट के राइट पे आपके पास है नेगेटिव नंबर, दैट इज -1. It means it gives you the conclusion that -1 is the greatest negative integer. All of you write it down, make a note where things to remember you have written that -1 is the greatest negative integer. Okay. Now, if you must be remembering, I have told you one more concept to you, that how much you go to the left direction, you get the smaller and smallest. So can you tell me which is the smallest number here? Which is the smallest integer in negative? Okay, Sanath has written -7. Okay. I want from everyone, please give it to me the answer. Which number do you think it is the smallest negative integer? -7. It's correct. But can you please tell me beta, क्या -7 यहाँ पे last number है or the list is still going? Because -7 I have written because I was not having this place. But if we will write more numbers into it, -7 के बाद -8 आएगा, -10 भी आएगा, -1000 भी आएगा, -1000 के बाद -lakhs भी आएगा, -crore भी आएगा. So is there any tricks number which will come here? No. You cannot even imagine which number it will be last at the end. Okay, so that means it is giving you this conclusion beta, that -1 is the greatest negative integer, but the smallest integer you cannot find out. I am writing it down here. -1 is the greatest negative integer. And when you talk about smallest negative integer, the answer will be we cannot find, we can't find, or you can also write it down infinite, or also you can write it down not defined. There are many answers. Okay, you can write it down we can't find, you can write it down infinite, you can write it down also that not defined, you can also write down that you cannot find out. So these are the answers here. The first thing, -1 is the greatest negative integer. I am talking about negative beta, okay, because positive to aap pad chuke ho. So here I am talking about greatest negative integer is -1, and the smallest negative integer you cannot find out. Now I am moving on the positive direction. Just look at here only positive side. Can you please tell me on the positive sides which one is the smallest positive integer? Which one is the smallest positive integer? Because 0 is neither positive nor negative. 0 is neither positive nor negative. So what if I am asking from you all, which is the smallest positive integer? 1, correct. Absolutely right. Now tell me now, which is the greatest positive integer? Which one is the greatest positive integer? Absolutely correct answer, infinite. Infinite मतलब हमको पता ही नहीं है, we cannot find out. because again the place is so much lengthy. 7 के बाद 8, 8 के बाद 9, 9 के बाद 10, 10 के बाद 11, 11, 12, 1000, crore, infinite numbers will come into it. So that means you cannot find out the positive one, that is the greatest integer. So this you can include it, write down please. Yes. So students, now I am asking one more thing to you. Now only see negative integers, and I am taking only 2 negative integers, and now you tell me which one is the greatest and which one is the smallest. ठीक है? The concept is again that only. हमेशा एक चीज याद रखिएगा, concept of number line. नंबर जितना ज्यादा लेफ्ट में होगा वो उतना छोटा होगा, नंबर जितना ज्यादा बेटा राइट में होगा वो उतना ज्यादा बड़ा होगा. ठीक है? Now observe it and come to a conclusion. I am giving you two negative integers, -3 and -5. Now choose it and tell me which negative integer is the greatest here. -3 or -5. Number line को observe कीजिए and tell me after observing the number line which integer you find bigger. Absolutely brilliant, my dear students. Absolutely correct answer. -3 is the greatest negative integer. But इसको देख करके एक और क्वेश्चन का आंसर दीजिए. -1 and -7. Which one is the greatest integer here? -1 or -7? Correct. Very good. -1 is greater here. Here -3 is greater. अब इसको देखकर क्या पता चला? ये तो गड़बड़ हो रही है. क्या गड़बड़ हो रही है? जो नंबर छोटा था वो तो बड़ा हो गया और जो नंबर बड़ा था वो तो छोटा हो गया. ऐसा क्यों हुआ? ऐसा इसलिए हुआ बेटा क्योंकि हम लोग यहाँ पर नंबर लाइन में डील कर रहे हैं और नेगेटिव नंबर के साथ डील कर रहे हैं. सो रिमेंबर, इन नेगेटिव नंबर्स दिस गोज ऑपोजिट. ऑपोजिट मीन्स जो नंबर जितना ज्यादा बड़ा होता है अगर उसके साथ नेगेटिव का साइन लग गया तो वो नंबर उतना छोटा हो जाएगा. Okay, if a number is so much greater, but if you have negative sign, that means that number is so smaller in that case. ठीक है? Now I am not giving you the concept of number line. You just tell me by thinking on your mind. I am rubbing this and tell me now. -1000, -150, which will be greater? -750. -7500, which will be greater? -32, -300, which number will be greater? I am giving you 3 options, 3 questions. Answer in the chat box, please. Yes. So according to the conclusion, we came to know that how much is the greater number in negative, that much will be the smaller number in this case. It means इससे क्या conclusion निकला कि -150 will be larger in this, -750 will be larger in this, and here -32 will be larger in this. So this is all about negative numbers. Now I am asking again a question from you. बेटा आज के सारे discussion आप ही लोग करोगे. अब देखो सारे negative और देखो सारे zero के साथ. अब now you watch this only till here and tell me negative are on right side or left side. Tell me, negative are on left or right? Negatives are on left or right? Negatives are on left. Okay, negatives are on left. Zero is in right. Okay, so according to this two concept, can you tell me zero is greater than negative or zero is smaller than negative? Tell me. Zero is greater than negative or zero is smaller than negative? Use the concept of number line again. जो जितना ज्यादा right में होगा वो उतना बड़ा होगा, जो जितना ज्यादा left में होगा वो उतना छोटा होगा. So that means you get a conclusion into it that zero will always be greater from negatives. It means write it down in this point to remember, beta. Zero will always be greater than all the negative integer because zero is on right side. and negative numbers are on left hand side. Okay. Now tell me, look at here, 0 and positive. Now see 0 and positive only. Now tell me, which one is greater, positive or 0? Absolutely correct. Positive integers will be greater in this case because अगर हम 0 और positive को लेके चलते हैं बेटा, तो यहाँ पर positive number आते हैं right hand side पे. अब last question, only last question from my side. Look at here, see all the negative and see all the positive. Don't see 0. Don't see 0. Only see positive and only see negative. And tell me which number will be greater, positive or negative? Answer in the chat box, please. Yes, beta. So now we'll come to the conclusion that all the negative and all the positive, when you talk, negative will always be smaller. Negative will be always smaller and positive will be always greater. Okay? Negative will always be smaller and positive will always be greater because on number line, positive are on right hand side and negatives are on left hand side. This is the most important conclusion. So we have three main important conclusions, beta. The first one is this, the second one is this, and the third one is this. Please make a note of these all three points on your fair copy. So dear students, as you all can see, I gave you the comparison here, and in these all comparison, you will find some are negative, some are positive numbers. So the first question, one is 0, one is negative. And you are knowing 0 is always greater than all the negative numbers. It means the first one will be 0 is greater. All of you match your answer along with me. Second one, minus 11, minus 111. This is the concept I taught you, beta. How much is the greater number in negative will be much smaller here. So that means minus 11 will be greater in this case. Third condition, 0 and positive. And you are knowing all the positive numbers are greater than 0. So this means 151 is greater than here. Now minus 51 and plus 51. Now you are knowing all positives are greater than negatives. It means 51 is greater in this case. Now move on to the fifth one. Positives are always greater than negatives. So it means again 131 is the greater one here. Now move on to the sixth one. How much is the greater number in negative will be that much smaller. That means minus 2 will be greater in this case. Now move on to the seventh one. Minus 1020 minus 20. Again the same case. How much is the greater number will be that much smaller. It means minus 20 will be greater in this case. Now last but not the least, it's minus 450 and this is positive. So positives are always greater than negatives. So it means 45 will always be greater here.